Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the UNZA graduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a paper which came in 2025, which was Science Paper 2 Chemistry subject. So in this, we are just looking at question 1 and question 5 of the multiple choice. So the first question was as follows. It was saying which one of the following is a harmful consequence of activities in the chemical industry? It causes dash. So the multiple choice were agriculture, development, career prospects, C, environmental pollution, D, medical advancement. So the answer here is C. So that's the answer. So the reason of C is that what you need to understand is that um, chemical industries can release waste gases, liquids, influence, and solid waste. This pollute air, water, and soil, which is harmful to living things. So now the reason why we have not chosen the agriculture development is that this is because this is a benefit, not a harmful effect. Then career prospects, this is also a benefit. It creates what job creation. Then medical advancement, it is a positive effect in terms of drugs, vaccine. So the only harmful thing is the environmental pollution. So question 2, which one of the following is the basic unit of matter? Gas, mass, molecule, solid. Gas, it is not a basic unit of matter, it is a state of matter. Solid also is a state of matter. Then this one is not a state of matter, is not a basic unit of matter. There are three basic units of matter. There is a molecule, atoms, ions. So molecule here is the answer here. So question 3 was saying the diagram shows a chromatogram of 4 different dyes A, B, C, and D using a solvent. Which dye is the least soluble in the solvent? There was a seventh line, there was a baseline. So A, it was this one, B, it was this one, C, it was this one, D, it was this one. So the one which is closest to the solvent line, it is the most soluble in the solvent. Then the one which is far from the solvent line, it is the least soluble. So D is the answer here. So now we are going to look at the question 4. Question 4 is saying a manufacturer accidentally dropped some tiny diamonds into zinc oxide powder. Which steps would be carried out to the mixture in order to recover the diamonds from it? There was A, shake with dilute sulfuric acid, filter, wash with residue with water. B, shake with dilute sulfuric acid, filter, evaporate, filtrate to dryness. C, shake with water, filter, wash the residue with water. Shake with water, filter, evaporate the filtrate to dryness. So the answer here is supposed to be A. So what you need to understand is that you shake with dilute sulfuric acid, because what you need to understand, the zinc oxide reacts and dissolves. So it reacts and it becomes a soluble salt. So the moment this one tiny diamonds, the question was saying a manufacturer accidentally dropped the tiny diamonds into zinc oxide powder. So what it means, this one is going to react the moment you shake with the direct sulfuric acid, this zinc oxide and diamond. That means this zinc oxide is going to dissolve into a soluble salt. Then this diamond, it won't react, to remain into a solid state. So you have to take them now on the filter paper. You filter them. That means the diamond is going to remain as the residue on the filter paper. Then what will pass it is the zinc oxide as filtrate. So now when that zinc when that diamond remain as residue, that means you have to wash it with water now. So that's the correct answer. These are not answers. Then last question was saying, which statement correct describe the bonding in sodium chloride? A shared the pair of electrons between two atoms leading to a noble gas configuration. B strong force of attraction between opposite charged ions. C strong force of attraction between two molecules. D weak force of attraction between opposite charged ions. So the correct answer here, it is B. So attraction or strong force of attraction between opposite charged ions. Why we have chosen the B is that sodium chloride has ionic bonding. Sodium loses an electron, which will become a positive charge. Then this one, chlorine, gains an electron, it becomes negative charge. So what it means, the oppositely charged ions attracts strongly. So it means opposite charged ions attract strongly. So now, why we have not choose the A? A describe a covalent bonding, not ionic. Then why you have not choose the C is it because C molecules are not involved in ionic bonding. Is what you need to understand. Then why you have not choose the D is that ionic attraction is strongly, not weak. So here saying weak force of attraction between opposite charge ions. In sodium chloride, ionic bond or ionic attraction is strong, not weak. Is what you need to understand here. So here is that they are saying it's weak, but supposed to be strong in ionic bonding. So we have come to the end of the lesson. Why should you continue to struggle with chemistry when the other graduate teacher is here? Just follow my channel or just subscribe to my channel for more chemistry lessons.